Have you ever wondered why some investors seem to stay one step ahead of everyone else? It's usually not because they can predict the future perfectly, it's because they recognize major economic shifts before they become obvious to the public. Right now, one of the biggest money shifts in years is already underway, and if you're planning to invest in 2026, understanding these changes could help you make smarter financial decisions. The global economy is entering a new phase driven by artificial intelligence, changing interest rates, new infrastructure investments, evolving supply chains, and rapid technological innovation. While many people continue focusing on yesterday's market trends, successful long-term investors are paying close attention to where money is flowing next. For more than a decade, low interest rates made it relatively easy for companies to borrow money and grow quickly. Investors rewarded fast-growing technology companies, and many stocks climbed to record highs. But today's environment looks very different. Interest rates are higher, inflation continues to influence consumer spending, and businesses are being forced to focus more on profitability than rapid expansion. This means investors can no longer rely on strategies that worked during the previous decade. Instead, they're looking for financially strong companies with stable earnings, manageable debt, and long-term growth potential. The rules of investing haven't completely changed, but the priorities certainly have. Perhaps the biggest transformation happening today is the rise of artificial intelligence. AI is no longer just a futuristic concept. It is becoming part of everyday business operations. Healthcare companies are using AI to improve patient care, banks are using it to detect fraud, manufacturers are automating production lines, and retailers are improving customer experiences through intelligent software. Behind this revolution are billions of dollars being invested in data centers, semiconductor chips, cloud computing, cybersecurity, and advanced software. While not every AI company will become a winner, the overall trend suggests that businesses providing the infrastructure for AI could benefit from years of growing demand. That's why many long-term investors are looking beyond the headlines and focusing on the companies building the foundation of this technological revolution. Another major money shift is taking place in manufacturing and global supply chains. Over the past few years, businesses have realized the risks of depending too heavily on a single country for production. As a result, many companies are expanding manufacturing across multiple regions or bringing production closer to home. This trend is creating new opportunities in industrial automation, logistics, construction, transportation, and semiconductor manufacturing. Governments are also investing billions of dollars into domestic industries to strengthen economic resilience. These changes may not grab as many headlines as AI, but they represent long-term investment themes that could continue growing throughout the decade. The energy sector is also evolving rapidly. Renewable energy continues to expand, but traditional energy sources remain essential to powering the global economy. At the same time, electricity demand is increasing because of electric vehicles, AI-powered data centers, and expanding digital infrastructure. This means future investment opportunities may exist across multiple areas, including renewable energy, natural gas, utilities, nuclear power, battery storage, and companies upgrading the electrical grid. Rather than viewing energy as a single industry, investors are increasingly seeing it as a diversified opportunity shaped by rising global demand. Healthcare remains another sector worth watching as populations continue aging across developed countries. Medical innovation is advancing rapidly through biotechnology, robotic surgery, gene therapies, and AI-assisted diagnostics. Demand for healthcare products and services is expected to grow for many years regardless of short-term economic conditions. Because healthcare addresses essential human needs, many investors consider it a relatively resilient sector during periods of market uncertainty, while also offering exposure to long-term innovation. Infrastructure is quietly becoming another important driver of future economic growth. Across the United States, billions of dollars are being invested in roads, bridges, broadband networks, semiconductor facilities, clean energy projects, and public transportation. These investments create opportunities for construction companies, engineering firms, industrial manufacturers, utility providers, and materials suppliers. While infrastructure investments rarely generate overnight excitement, they often produce steady demand that can support businesses for years, making them attractive for long-term investors seeking stability alongside growth. Another trend gaining momentum is the increasing popularity of dividend investing and diversified ETFs. During uncertain markets, many investors appreciate companies that consistently pay dividends because they provide regular income while allowing wealth to compound over time through dividend reinvestment. Likewise, exchange-traded funds, or ETFs, offer a simple way to diversify across hundreds of companies with a single investment. Rather than trying to identify the next winning stock, many investors choose broad market ETFs or sector-specific funds to reduce risk while participating in long-term economic growth. Diversification remains one of the most effective ways to manage uncertainty. Perhaps the most important lesson for 2026 isn't about choosing one perfect investment. It's about developing the right mindset. Markets will always experience periods of volatility, and headlines will always create fear or excitement. Successful investors understand that emotional decisions often produce poor results. Instead of chasing trends or trying to perfectly time the market, they stay disciplined, invest consistently, diversify their portfolios, and focus on long-term financial goals. They understand that wealth is usually built through patience, not prediction. The biggest money shift happening today is not limited to one industry or one stock. It reflects a broader transformation in how the global economy is growing. Artificial intelligence, infrastructure spending, healthcare innovation, changing supply chains, and evolving energy markets are reshaping where capital is flowing. Investors who continue learning, adapt to changing conditions, and remain focused on quality businesses may be better positioned for long-term success. Before you make your next investment in 2026, remember this: the greatest opportunities often appear while everyone else is still looking in the rearview mirror. The biggest money shift has already begun. The real question is whether you'll recognize it before everyone else does.